friends, here we some questions related for the indirect proportion. So this question is: a school has 8 periods in a day and each of 45 minute duration. How long would each period be if the school has 9 period in a day, assuming the number of school hours to be the same? So first, here we given a school has 8 periods in a duration time is 45 minutes, and how long on the you have given the 9 periods in a day. So what is the time duration? So now here 8 periods and by the 9 periods 8 period, so you can say uh, periods will be increased. So periods are increased, so all you have to say the time duration time is also a decrease. So now first you have to let the duration time be x. Let the duration time be x minute. Now, so you can say the 8 periods in a 45 minutes, and then so now 9 periods will be. So now you can say period is increased. Number of periods is increased. So time duration is also decrease. So you can say that, so it is a indirect proportion. So you can say that it is an indirect proportion. Now first you have to draw a table. So first column we have to draw number of periods. Number of periods and the duration time. Second is duration in minutes. So here number of periods, if 8 periods, so time duration will be 45 minutes, and the second is number of periods is 9 period, so the time will be duration time is x minute. So now let's we start. You have already know this is the indirect proportion. So indirect proportion, the formula is indirect proportion is x1 upon x2 equal to y2 upon y1. Means this is x1, x2, y1, y2. So you can put this value for this formula according to this formula. So 8 upon 9 equal to the y2 it means the x upon 45, not a 45 upon x. So now use the solving by the cross multiply. 8 into 45 equal to 9x, and the x equal to 8 into 45 upon 9. 9 5s are 45 and 8 5s are 40. So x will become 40 minutes, and x is called a x is a duration time. So you can say if school has 9 periods, so each period will be of 40-minute duration. So here period will be increased, so time is also a decrease. So this is an example of inverse proportion.